Hello everyone, Simon there from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this video about Euro Yen. So let's get started. This is the chart, Euro Yen 40-minute chart I made on Saturday, last weekend. And then I showed this chart to you guys in my webinar on Sunday, 17, and explained what it is, right? So several things here. A lead wave, harmonic patterns, both together, bullish and bearish scenario, right? The thing was that the Bank of Japan supposed to make a big decision on Tuesday, today, about if they're going to raise the interest rate or not, or keep in the negative territory, right? So these two scenarios, that this will go this way or that way, right? So it will go down if they will raise the interest rate in the positive territory, maybe, or at least raise some, right? Or if they keep the interest rates where it is now and in the negative territory, then the yen probably going to get weaker. And then in that scenario, the all yen pair, including this one, all yen pair will go to the upside, right? So euro yen, I said that this is what's happening according to the Fib and then different studies, right? So harmonic pattern, well, we got two studies, harmonic pattern and Elliott wave, and they are both same, by the way. So this is what the idea was, that, okay, we were at 54, 52, and if positive interest rate goes down, make a butterfly pattern, bullish butterfly, and if keep the interest rate same, negative, it will go up for a bearish crab pattern, as well as the Elliott wave count. Well, Elliott wave count is not shown here, but let me show you that where they are. I made another chart showing the Elliott wave, where the heck it is. This one, this chart shows that, okay, this is like a crab pattern to the upside, as well as this is wave 1, 2, and we go to 161%, that would be wave 3. Now this chart went there like this. You see that? So far we are here. As well as the other chart, let me show you what happened to the other chart. Was this one? Which broker was that? This is a 40-minute. Euro yen. Yeah. All right. So this was the other one. Look, this same things, yeah? Same chart. Either or. So it went nice and clean to the upside. And it's dipping now at probably for like small wave 4, then we'll jump for wave 5, and then probably end up here 161%. So this is how easy it is if you ahead of time you do your analysis and create the roadmap to whichever way it makes the turn, where the heck this thing is going to go. And you see how easy it is, right? But unfortunately, on this pair, when it went up and on my smaller entry time frame, right, it gave me the entry and then knock out my SL, and then it went up, right? So on this one, I don't have the trade, right? But the thing is that if you know the reason, what is the reason that I was thinking that it's going to go up? Because if they're going to keep the interest rate negative, so, or wherever it is now, or were, right, yesterday, then yen probably going to get weaker. Now, yen gets weaker, then all yen pair goes up, right? So I missed the trade here, but since I knew that they're all going to be going to the upside, so I have my EA on all of them, right? So what happened, let me show you. What I caught because of this USD yen. You see that beautiful entry here today? And it was actually, yeah. And then you see buy order here. And every single trade is according to the setup, nothing random. I waited for the setup and that's it. Now this one, I didn't move the SL. If I had moved the SL, I would have lost this one as well, because you see this dip here. So my SL was still here when it was there. Then I came and sit on the, because this, sometimes you have to do it, because when you have a big news, then, price tend to wobble, right? And your SL hit. So I was, my entry was here. SL was only 25 pips. So I said, okay, if it is going to hit, it's going to hit 25 pips. No big deal, which will happen on Euro yen. But this one went up all the way to 230 pips. Look at the next one. My EA caught this one as well. Buy order right there. It went up, boom, boom, boom. And this one, buy the book. Perfect. Everything aligned, all the indicators, and 260 pips. all the way. This one, Aussie yen, same scenario, same setup, beautiful by the book setup. Buy orders right there, 175. New Zealand yen, same setup, like same thing, like Picasso is painting the painting, right? Look at this one, this setup, and this setup, perfect by the book. So EA takes, any setup like that, EA will take it. You see this EA here, CTS5 live, that's the one, right? So it takes that. If you miss this one, or you miss this one, then at least this one is also more than 100. So these are 4 yen trades taken, and the one that I was planning and taking, I showed you guys. My SL hit in that one, so I don't have a euro yen or CAD yen, but all the others I got. So this is the beauty about this, when you do the setup. And by the way, these are not the only one. I had this one was a Friday entry here. This pair I usually don't, this EA just opened the trade. Otherwise, I wouldn't open. But in Fridays and then Monday and then Tuesday and only 75 pip. What the heck? So I don't like this pair. But this one oil, by the way, oil chart I made and I posted. Let me show you if I have it. See this chart I made today, earlier, that 72.48, and I says if it stays above 72.48, it will go to the upside, and so it went. And see this 72.48 was above that, beautiful, and then here's the entry, and boom, gone. Right. So this one and this gold, same thing. I was expecting a long in gold, so this is a beautiful. See this a little arrow here? That's the sign. This is my ear open. This is a different ear. Sam's oil and gold. Right? I made it. It's still slightly different, but almost the same thing. Look at the one you guys have. Some of you CTS5 is the same thing basically. So this is the gold one, and yeah, so this is what's just happening today. Wanted to show you guys, share with you guys that this is how you plan your trade and then trade your plan and take all the entries according to the plan, right? And this is how you end up with. So euro yen, by the way, now let me go and take a look. See this one right now. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Crab pattern didn't finish yet, right? So this is 3, and I think that maybe we're gonna be coming down here for wave 4, then we're gonna wobble, and then we're gonna go back up for wave 5. And then not only wave 5 will be finished, but also this bearish crab pattern. And after that, we're probably gonna drop, right? This is what's happening in euro yen. Similarly, all those other pairs, I'll post on the Telegram, right? The charts I'm looking at, pound yen and Aussie yen and USD yen and all that. So this is it for now. I just wanted to show you guys that this is what happened. And if you want to learn more, one-on-one is there. Go on my website, sign up for one-on-one, and learn all this mumbo jumbo, how to use the FIB exactly properly for your benefit, for huge profits, harmonic patterns, what the heck they are and how they work. And you have to be ready, either or. The market can go in any direction, anytime, without any notice, right? So both scenarios you have to keep in mind. If it goes up, where the heck is going to go? And if it is going to go down, then where to, right? And that way you're prepared. And if you start to drop, first, for example, if it start to drop here, and I'll find my short setup, boom, to the downside. And then daily range is a very, very key factor, right? Don't forget that. Today was exceptional day, right? Big news. So the daily range was shattered, and all the pairs went twice the daily range already. So yeah, but in the normal days, you make the entry and then calculate the daily range, and then you take it to the daily range. Simple as that. And then get out, right? All right, so bye for now. And like I said, that if you any I'm gonna make this video public, and if anybody else interested getting the system, go on my website. This is the name of the website, creativetradingsystems.com. Go there and then subscribe. You have multiple options there. All right, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get my videos on time, so that you can take advantage of these setups. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you later.